So in the previous video, I explained the steps to capture the image target. Now, once this image is captured, we then need to include it in a Vuforia database so that that image target can be recognized by our augmented reality app. In this video, I'm going to talk about steps to create and download the marker AR database in order to make it available or import it in the marker AR Unity project. I will also be explaining the steps to upload the image target we created earlier to our Vuforia account. So first of all, let me tell you what exactly is Vuforia database. Well, a database is a repository where we can store image targets, cylinder targets, object targets, as well as multi-targets. These objects can then be used in our augmented reality applications and are generally gets activated during the runtime. These objects can then be used in our augmented reality applications. So let's get started. I will first tell you how to upload the image target to our Vuforia account. Okay, so let's log in to our Vuforia account first by providing the credentials. Now I have already created a video which covers how to create an account on Vuforia developer page. So you can watch the video, a link for which is given in the I button above. So when you provide your credentials and enter inside the Vuforia developer account, you will be provided with this particular interface. Okay, so we are actually concerned with this target manager tab. So click on target manager and then you can click on add database. This is one database which I created earlier. Okay, and we need not to worry about this right now. We can create our own new database for the application we are building. So just click on add database. So we will give the name to this database as marker AR DB, where DB stands for database. Now down below you will see three types, namely device, cloud and viewmark. So the device option is for storing the image targets inside the devices like smartphone, etc. On the other hand, cloud option is to store the image target on Vuforia cloud, and viewmark option is like either barcode or QR code. So since we are going to make use of our phone camera to see the augmented reality objects, we will keep the device option selected. So now click on create and you will observe that marker ARDB is created here. Now click on this marker ARDB option and you will see that there is a add target button available here. So click on it and you will see several options like single image, cuboid, cylinder, 3D object, etc. But we will select the image, single image, as ours is image only. Okay, we are concerned with image only, right? So if you see the browse option below, you will see that Vuforia says that our image should be either JPG or PNG and it should have the maximum file size of 2 MB. So click on browse button and select the image target location on your computer where you have kept this image. So we kept this image in fact on my computer in F drive, and the name of that image was book cover image.jpg. So select this image. In the width section, you can keep the width as 5 for now, and we will keep the name of our image target as book underscore cover underscore image only. And finally click on add button. So you can see that book underscore cover underscore image is uploaded in the marker AR database now, or marker AR DB database now. So you can see that book underscore cover underscore image is uploaded in the marker AR DB database. Now click on this book underscore cover underscore image and scroll down, and then you can click on show features link here. So once you click on show features link, you will observe some yellow points on the image, right? Now we humans can recognize any image by just looking at the image, but machines, or in this case our webcam, can't recognize any image by just looking at it. It needs some features using which they can recognize an image. So these points or yellow points here shown here actually acts as feature helping our smartphone camera to recognize this image. Please note that there is a section called Augmentable on the right hand side here, where you can see the 5 stars. So these stars suggest how good our image is in order to be recognized by our smartphone camera. If the star rating is less for your image, then you might need to upload a new image target. In our case, it gives 5 star, that means our image is really good. So Vuforia has given an option to update an image target directly from this page. And if you want to do that, all you need to do is to click on the update target link given here on the lower left corner. Since the star rating of my image is really very good, so I will be keeping this original image only. So now come back to marker AR DB by clicking on the top. Now in order to download the database, all you need to do is just put a check mark on this book cover image, and you can see that the button gets highlighted with download database and in brackets 1. So we can now download the database by clicking on this download database button on the right hand side, and here you can select the Unity editor option and then click on download button. You can see that marker ARDB is getting downloaded now. So it is right now compiling the database, and here you can see that it got downloaded on my computer. Now the next step is to import this database into our Unity project. So in order to do that, just double click on this database and now click on this import button. So now our marker ARDB is imported to our marker AR project. Let's now add our image as image target into our Unity project. So let's click on game object on the top and select Vuforia engine and then select image option. You can see that a new component with the name image target is added in the hierarchy panel here on the left hand side. Now one important thing to keep in mind is that the image target should always be the child of AR camera. So we will be making this image target as child of AR camera by dragging the image target on AR camera. Okay, just like this. So now you can see that it becomes the child of AR camera. The image target becomes the child of AR camera. Now select this image. In my case it is already selected, and move on to the inspector panel on the right hand side, where there is an option with the heading image target behavior. This is the section image target behavior. So you can see that it has automatically selected the database as marker ARDB, and you can also see that image target has been changed to book_cover_image automatically as well. So this is the way we can use an image as image target inside our augmented reality project in Unity. And this is the image where we are going to drop our augmented reality character. So folks, this is it for this video. In the next upcoming videos, I will be showing you the steps to project a 3D character on image target, which we have just now uploaded here in Unity. So here is today's question. For what purpose the Vuforia database used for? Please post your answers, comments in the comment section given below so that I can get a chance to incorporate your feedback. You can also post your technical questions in the comment section and I will try to answer the same. If you are watching this video and you are not already a subscriber to our channel, consider clicking that little subscribe button. In case you have already subscribed, then click on the bell icon to receive the notifications whenever I will release a new video. So thanks for hanging out with me guys. I will be covering next topic in the upcoming video, so keep on watching. Thank you.